This 2020 Jayco Whitehawk 28RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, awning, skylight, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Whitehawk 28RL is 6,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.